All right, good morning. Saturday, May 17th. I thought that the city, which is already very quiet, would be a little louder because people are just like yucking it up on the weekend. But they're not. It's even quieter. This whole city, you feel like you're in a library, which is not bad. It's amazing. But it's like so quiet. So I just thought today, let me pivot and go to my microphone. That way I can whisper and still be heard. Beautiful tower behind me. It's a beautiful day. It's a quiet day. Except for that guy that's coughing. Man or woman that's coughing. It's a beautiful day. So we're gonna head today to Český Krumlov, which is a amazing medieval town that a river goes through the middle of it. So we're gonna get some drone footage today, much of content, and then we are gonna be kayaking through the village. This is one that's been on my list to check out and to visit, so super excited to have the opportunity today. It's going to be a beautiful day. Might see a little bit of rain, but yeah, we are super excited. Thanks for watching. Alright, we've landed. We've arrived.
We're here. It smells incredible here.
Český Krumlov. Český Krumlov.
Fresh flowers.
Fresh flowers. Fresh flowers.
Trees.
Right? It's a cool path. Let's go. Crazy walking up. Quite the incline.
Instead to take. You did it different. I like this better.
In the boat you will be alone, yeah? But now I need 8 of you to go with this car and the rest will go with the other. Yeah?
Alright, Desiree likes two things, hammocks and kayaks. Make one of these dreams come true. I don't think there's a hammock anywhere in Central Europe.
I'm sorry. But we're doing this. I'm in my dress clothes.
She's never been fancier.
There we go.
They think she's a dignitary.
Is that like where water's going to come in our boat?
British.
Probably.
Probably. I hope. I really hope.
I know. So, my nice shoes.
Ah, yes. That's it. I'll be back here eating grapes. Wake me up when we're there. Yeah, on your right side.
Matt.
Nash. Guilty.
You ready?
I'm ready, kid. Oh, wow. Maybe lean back a little bit. I think. I don't know. Oh, wow. Fancy pants. Fancy pants. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Going the wrong way.
Here we are.
Woo! Our first waterfall rapids.
Babe, we're starting to spin.
I got it.
Well done. Well
Take
done.
care of everything. I'm good at a lot of stuff.
Man, I really wish I had a hamburger right now.
What?
A hamburger. That sounds
Hamburger.
amazing. Sit here eating a hamburger floating down the river.
Get some shots of the front too.
Oh, I love this. Seeing those bags, I understood all that.
Just keep going. You're doing great. Woo! Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if you lean forward or back. I never know.
I think you lean back. You lean back. Yeah! We did it!
Wow, let's get that one. Like a small one, isn't it?
Those are some dark clouds, babe.
I know, they'll clear up.
Oh my gosh.
You just spin it around, babe.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I am completely drenched.
My underwear is wet.
I'm completely drenched.
Just like tomatoes.
Well, at least they gave us a waterproof bag. Hey, it's only 56 degrees out. My fancy shirt.
Oh man, this joke never gets old.
Is this a hotel?
I think so.
Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh, babe, that looks like a lot down there. That looks like a lot like last time.
Get the one. See it. We're going
Oh
through
my
it.
gosh. Matt, that's gonna be so much. Matt, that's so much. Here we go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Ah! Wow! Wow!
My butt's wet. Not yet. It actually works out good. You're going right in the middle, babe. Oh boy. We are beached, but it's beautiful.
That was intense. We just got stuck on rocks.
It's humiliated.
We got stuck on rocks. I thought we were gonna flip over.
I really did thought we were gonna flip over. Luckily, it's not very deep. That would have been super annoying.
Oh, my mascara. It's running everywhere.
White shirt.
You know, I gotta look cute when I'm here. I can't be wearing stuff.
Sorry.
I gotta wear my dress clothes while I'm on a kayak.
Well, the water here is normally like 1.5 meter higher, so you could get through this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
Not today.
Hold on.
Okay. There you go. Sit down, fancy pants. Here you go. Help me, soggy bottom.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining too. Great.
Good job, babe.
This backpack? Nice.
Yep, backpack. Wow, look at that one.
In the river. Turn it around the camera. There you go.
Babe, I don't film much. So this is what you'd normally go through.
That's so weird.
Okay.
I gotta film this. Let's do this a little bit more.
Yeah.
There we go.
Where do you land?
Awesome.
You land at the brewery? Then behind it. Oh, okay. Where do you land?
Wow, thank you. Dequiu.
This just in. We are, yes we did. We just did 9, so they picked our boat up and put us back in the water. We're very wet.
Socks and shoes are soaked.
Wonderful. At least Matt only has one pair of shoes with us on this trip. It's gonna be great.
I'm incorrigible.
We can go buy him some hokas or something.
It's raining again.
All right, it's raining. I have something in my eye.
Show that big rock we're about to hit.
There it is. You got this, Matt.
My watch.
Oh, there's something in my eye. Spit out a bug. a little bit ago. Wow, look at all this. Oh, whoa, babe.
That's good. Ah, yes. There's more rain. Very cold rain. Could be hail. I don't know.
This up to here, please.
Carry my bag for me. Just kidding, guys. Jeez. Bye, little raft. We love you. Memories were made. Next time you're in Český Krumlov, swing by Maleček Rafting and canoe and tell the nuts and Desolate Central. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. So romantic. So now Desiree's gonna get her phone out and find us a cheeseburger.
Yeah, I
Yelp.
deserve a cheeseburger.
And mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, what?
I don't think they have those here. I don't know where we are.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, cute dog. I just showed you my passcode. Well, I trust you guys.
Right here.
Restaurants.
0.3. 4.9 reviews. Oh, 13-minute walk? No, there's
Hey.
no way.
Where are we at?
We're
No
right
way.
here.
We have to walk. Yeah, that sounds good. What's the ratings?
4.9.
How many ratings?
14.
14?
But look, it says best burgers.
Yeah, let's. Okay,
And
okay.
it has fries.
You want burgers and fries?
I want burgers and fries. I work so hard.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Yeah, we're not drinking beer.
We're not, but we're definitely eating burgers and fries.
And having a Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Coca-Cola. Okay, we gotta curve around. Gotta cross that bridge. Yeah, we gotta go the other way. I'm soaked. I'm soaked. It was fun though. That was really great.
It was awesome.
It wasn't the best weather, but they couldn't do anything about that. And we met some fun German people.
Yep.
Made them laugh.
Oh,
So
he
far
made
I've
the
made
whole entire van load
German guy
laugh.
was like real rambunctious and gregarious, and the rest of the team, the rest of the group was quiet. So he's like, are you American? He asked him my Americanism.
Yeah, where are you from? And then you said,
Where are you from? I said Houston, Texas, USA. And he's like, well, what are you doing here? And I was like, rafting.
Where are you from? You're from America or?
Yeah, Houston. Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas.
Yeah, USA. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you all from?
From Germany.
Oh, nice, nice.
And what are you doing here?
Doing some rafting. They loved it.
They lost their minds and could not believe you responded.
So I've been
with
keeping
that.
track. I made somebody who's from Germany laugh. Well, actually multiple Germans laugh. French woman who was in a group with some guys from Spain. So French, American, Spanish,
Babe, and you make me laugh all the time.
American, Czech.
Oh. It's not raining though.
Out here walking. Good camera. Oh, the car's coming. It's very dark in here. Either one. Yeah, pass the comfort. Thank you. So after fighting the waves in the riptide, the mighty river, I congratulate myself with a burger and a hot dog. So good.
So good.